Meteorology. Precipitation is formed inside of clouds. This is because water vapor condenses into larger droplets of water. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are the 4 different types of precipitation. Rain is drops of water that fall from clouds. Snow, a solid form of precipitation. Sleet, frozen or semi-frozen rain formed when raindrops freeze as they pass through a layer of cold air. Hail is nearly round ice pellets, and they are formed by freezing layers of water. And to the right is some pictures of the 4 different types of precipitation. Air masses are large bodies of air that are characterized by the sameness of temperature and humidity. Air masses are classified by 2 letters, 1 lowercase and then 1 uppercase. And below are some examples of how air masses are classified, and these specific ones are from North America. Oklahoma is more prone to tornadoes because it is located in Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley is where cold, dry air from Canada, dry air from Mexico, and moist, warm air from the Gulf Coast meet. These air masses are the perfect recipe for tornadoes. There are 4 different types of fronts: warm front, cold front, stationary front, and occulid front. A warm front brings in warm air in stormy weather. Cold fronts bring in cold air and cold and windy weather. Stationary fronts have cloudy weather and rainy or snowy conditions. Occulid fronts, temperatures are either cool or warm. And then there are clear skies and dry air. And then to the right are 4 ways that fronts are shown, like for example on the news when talking about the weather, and it goes in order top to bottom as warm front, cold front, stationary front, and then occulid front is the bottom one.